Welcome to the Village app. Let's walk through the steps to start using the app as an organization. Once you've downloaded the app and signed in with the provided email address and password, you'll land on the dashboard. You may encounter a notification prompt. It's recommended to enable notifications for curated updates tailored to you. Initially, your dashboard might look blank. Unlike social media, the dashboard isn't flooded with endless content like pictures and videos. Begin by resetting your password and updating your profile. Click on the circle icon at the top right, then select Edit Profile. Tap Reset Password to receive an email and instructions on how to reset your password. Check your junk folder if you don't receive it. Ensure your profile is accurate, including website, description, and ongoing needs, which will be visible to potential donors. Needs apply to organizations who accept donations on an ongoing basis from the community. Needs could be seasonal, like winter clothes for clients, or recurrent, like canned goods. Click Update Profile to save changes. Grow your village by adding individuals or organizations. Tap the My Village tab on the dashboard. This is where you find people and maintain your village. The Friend Finder might not be applicable to your organization, but is an excellent tool for your clients. Individuals are able to use this to find people in their community who are either geographically close or share similar interests, lifestyles, or culture. They can choose from the listed suggestions or input their own when filtering out interests. The Nearby Organization tab lists any organization currently on the app within the selected radius. To have these organizations be part of your village, simply click their profile and request to connect. They will receive a notification, and once they accept, they will appear under your All circle. More on that later. To invite people to join the app, there are several options, including texting contacts within your phone's address book. We have a pre-populated message, but feel free to customize it. You can also share a link to any platform or via email. Utilize the search bar to find other organizations people, or you can even search by need. For example, if your organization consistently needs office supplies and you've listed that under your profile needs, then someone who is looking to donate can search who is accepting those items. This allows the right items to get to the right organization quickly. The Incoming tab is where you'll find any incoming requests to connect, and the Outgoing is requests you've sent to connect with individuals or other organizations. Once you've connected with organizations or individuals, they'll appear in your All circle. From there, you can categorize them into circles that make sense to your organization. To do that, tap Manage. Tap the plus sign to create a new circle. Name it and add people by tapping the plus sign beside their name. Removing them is just as easy. Scrolling down to the bottom and tap the X beside their name. They will not be notified of this. When creating a circle, you have the ability to choose whether you want it to be private or public. A private circle means only you know who is in this circle and what it is called. A public circle means people and organizations will be aware of the circle that they are in and be able to connect with each other. Private circles are good when you need to keep people's identity confidential. For example, for clients for various program updates, but you don't want them to be aware of who else is receiving these messages or accessing these services. Public circles are more like groups. This could be a library group, mom's group, or even your volunteers. It's beneficial for them to connect and there's no confidentiality issues. You may notice that you already have another circle that you haven't created, which means you are in a public circle. You don't have to be friends with someone on the app to be connected with them via circle. So why do these circles matter? We're getting there, I promise. Tap the middle plus button on your navigation bar. There are 3 main actions within the app, which are creating offers, requests, and sending events. Choose your action. I will tap request. This simple form will appear. There's pre-populated categories, but if none fit, feel free to tap other. I selected task. Select location. This can be as broad as the town or region, or as specific as an exact address. Choose a start time, and if there's a specific end time. Add a short description. Now, this is where the circles come in. Choose to send your offer, request, or event to a specific circle or several circles. One person can exist in multiple circles, but will only receive one notification. If the offer, request, or event isn't particular to any circle, and perhaps something you'd like the general public to receive, choose to send by area. This means anyone whose postal code is within this radius will receive a notification. This can bring awareness to the wider community about the work you do and the needs of your organization. Once all the information is in, tap Next. Tap Create. Now, anyone who is either in that circle or in that area will receive that request on their dashboard. Requests or offers that have been accepted or events that have already happened will be gray, like these. If they are still active, they will be white. Requests and offers have action buttons, as they require a response, whereas events are FYI only. To learn more about a request, offer, or event, tap the arrow. If you can answer this request, tap Available. If you're unclear or have some of what they need, you can message them directly. Tapping Unavailable will remove it from your dashboard. The sender will not be notified of this. Creating an event is very similar, but again, doesn't need a response and is FYI only. You can also include a link, such as an events page or fundraising tickets. Events can also be non-traditional events, such as your office will be closed due to staffing issues, or there's a bear in the area. You can choose to send by circle or by area as well. To view or edit your requests, offers, or events, tap the My Activity tab on your navigation bar. If you need to edit the information or accidentally sent something, you can do so here. You can also see who has answered your request or offers. Using our previous example of needing someone to deliver a couch to a family, once someone answers that request, you'll be notified and can connect with them here. Do this by tapping on the request. You'll also see their name. Tap Message and you'll be able to chat with them directly to arrange further details. This brings us to the chat, which is similar to most other chats. Create new chats with people you're connected with by tapping the plus button. This concludes our walkthrough. Thank you so much for your attention. If you have further questions, feel free to message us via the app or use the contact form by clicking your profile picture. This is also where you'll find our community code, frequently asked questions, and where you can report a user or a bug as needed. Never hesitate to reach out.